Tassie is absolute food heaven. I'm super excited to be here cooking with local sourced delicious ingredients. So we have ourselves some tassal salmon, we've got some leatherwood honey, we've got some gorgeous wasabi and a whole bunch of other ingredients, and I'm doing a Tassie inspired miso glazed salmon. You're gonna love this recipe, let's get into it. In a mixing bowl, mix together miso paste, honey, soy sauce and mirin. This is exactly what you're after. Attitude-filled, super smooth miso marinade. Add your tassal salmon and let it marinate for at least 2 hours, but ideally overnight. Slice up your ginger, shallots, chili. Add your butter and olive oil and chuck it in a pan. Cook until golden. Add your kale and cook until wilted. Wasabi doesn't come in a little packet. It is actually a beautiful little root, almost like horseradish. And just like regular wasabi, it does pack a punch. Add your wasabi and now deglaze with orange juice, soy sauce and sesame oil. Smells so good. Our kale is braised and now it's time for the superstar of the dish, our beautiful marinated tassal salmon. Sprinkle your salmon with sesame seeds and cook the salmon skin side down for about 3 to 4 minutes. The skin should be golden and crispy. Flip your gorgeous salmon and pour in the remainder miso glaze. Once your glaze has reduced down and your beautiful tassal salmon has cooked all the way through, just throw it on top of your braised kale. And that, my friends, is a gorgeous Tassie-inspired miso glazed tassel salmon.